guys, morning. Thank you for watching. Today I want to show you how manyatta inside look like. Look at the outside and other houses there. So let's go here.
Mama, guys.
Here is where we put our jerrycan for water. And this is where we cook our food, kitchen. So let's go to the bedroom. Oh, this is the bed of my children, and this is where I put my foodie stuff. Look the roof, how it's look like. So this is where I sleep. This is my bed. You sleep on the floor. So guys, this is where we put our clothes, and this is the end of our house. It has more house though, it's not big, but this is how it looks inside. Check out. Yes.
Mama,
Thank you guys for watching. Keep tuned. I'll be showing more of these videos. This is very life interesting. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Welcome.